Hello everyone, it's Paula here. This is take 2 of trying to film this. Oh my goodness. I have a journal share here to share with you. And she has a seam binding closure here. And I used a Tim Holtz paper cardstock for the closure. It's 2 layers of cardstock and a coffee dyed piece of paper layered all together. Kind of like Yvonne Preston does. And yeah, I just used some Artie Mae's tags, and this I just did myself, this little layering piece here. Added a butterfly and some eyelash trim and some mesh right there. And a little lace on the spine. And this is the back, did the little book corners. And it's one signature. Let's go inside. I sewed all around it. And inside I just, this is a vintage dollhouse paper right there. Some really old dollhouse paper that I got from my son's great-grandma. And I have a little T-card tag inside there, and I just did a little bit of layering. And inside I have a tag that I made. Did some layering on with some canvas and just a couple different pieces of layering pieces there. And a repair tag and this little tag. And I just tucked this one in there like so. Some more Tim Holtz paper here. And on this side is just a beautiful piece of lace, and I tucked behind it these 2 big tags. One's on coffee dyed paper, one's on cardstock. And I just tucked those in there. Over here, I just clipped on, I think this is Artie Mae's, and it's a little hidden envelope, and there's a hidden spot on both sides. Oh, my dogs, of course, my dogs. Bless their hearts. They know when I'm taking a video. This is just some extra layering paper. You can either journal on it or take it all apart. This is ribbon here. And you can use it throughout the book. Coffee dyed paper. Little tuck spot, layering tuck spot right here. Sorry about that. My animals always have to say something in every video now, don't they? Just use this as a tab, and I did a little cluster right there. It says always remember. Here is a little tag that I made. Coffee dyed paper on the back. This is just a little task list here. Did some stamping. A little snippet tuck right here with little journaling cards. I love that snippet. It's so cute. A little vintage paper there. Some fabric ruffle. And a Artie Mae's tag. And I can't remember whose this one is. It's just in my stash. Over here I did a little, like a slide type of thing, and I had that little girl in there, and I just what do you call that thing? Oh my goodness, I put vellum on both sides and sealed it shut. Why can't I think of that right now? Oh my goodness. And then just put a frame around it. And here is another cute tag that I made with a bunch of different textures of layering, and slid that behind them. A little music note tag. I just love the way that paper turned out. Here's a little tuck spot I did there, and a tag. Coffee dyed paper, and then this is just another piece of cardstock that I had in my stash. A little receipt thing there. And here's another little snippet tuck spot that I did. I love those. Those are so fun. I made a whole bunch of them the other day because I was tired of doing the same thing, and these are so relaxing and fun to make. I really, really enjoy making those. And here's another little cluster spot that I made. And this is just some extra coffee dyed paper that I tucked in there. This flips out. This is the middle of the signature. Glassine bag envelope. Well, I thought I had another one in there, but I don't. Anyways, there's a receipt right there. And I just folded the glassine bag to make a little pocket and added these two little tags. And behind it, this little cute tag. Most of the tags are sewn. This one is not. And I just did some layering, some more little ruffle. I love the way the coffee dyed paper turned out this time. And this did another little cluster tuck spots. Some grid paper here. And this little tuck spot was gifted to me, and I think by Terry, and I thought it was really cute. I think she bought it from some shop. I don't know where she got it from, but I was blessed with it, so I used it as a tuck spot in my journal, and I used this little paint swatch, and I put coffee dyed paper on the back because I love the color. It kind of matched this whole thing right here. This is Tsunami Rose. And then I just sewed some coffee dyed paper on the back with this little tabby on that edition card. And this is Tsunami Rose right here, and another little tuck spot cluster right there. I got carried away with the little clusters, but I super love them. Some more ruffle tuck spot here. This is a little envelope I made with journaling card inside out of some Edith Holden paper. Tim Holtz photo. A little leftover piece of coffee dyed paper, and I just did a cluster on the top of it for a little booklet type thing. Clipped it on there. The dewey, the coffee dyed paper, another little book page tuck spot here. I don't think I had anything in there. Let's put something in there, shall we? I'll put that cute little flower in there. And behind it, we have this little receipt here, a printable. I don't remember whose it is. And then this cute little tag that I made around Christmas time and never got to use it, so I tucked it in there. And I just did a little fabric cluster there. And on this side, it seems to fall out. It's just a little cardstock journaling booklet there. This little journaling spot and a vintage postcard. And I don't have my glasses, or do I? Let's see. I don't know how old this one is, but it's super old and I thought it was gorgeous, so I stuck that in here. And some more pretty, this is one of my favorite of the Tim Holtz right here. I super love it. And two more tags. I think this one is My Porch Prince, and this one is Artie Mays. I just added that little thing and sewed around it. And then this cute little tuck spot here. I just thought that was so cute. Just leftover tidbits, and I just glued them all together and stapled them. I love the way those little tiny Tim staples, I call them tiny Tim staples, but they're Tim Holtz staples, I should say. I love the way they give everything texture and all. And that is the cover to this one. I super love the way this one turned out, and the butterfly on the front is lifted, so it's not like flat. I super love the way that feels. And this one is available. I will leave my Facebook link below and my Bloom and Sticks creation and my Instagram. And my Facebook is where you would probably find me the most, and or on Bloom and Sticks Creations. And if you like, you can come over and like my page, and I usually have all my stuff that I sell on there. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day and you're staying safe, and I will see you soon. Please subscribe and like, and have a great day. Bye-bye.